Understanding the hand wash cycle in laundry. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very practical and useful phrase in English: hand wash cycle. This is a term often used in the context of laundry and washing machines, but what does it really mean? Let's dive in and find out. What does hand wash mean? Hand wash typically refers to washing something using your hands, rather than using a machine. It implies a gentle and careful method of cleaning, usually for delicate items. Understanding cycle in this context. In the context of laundry, a cycle refers to a complete process or series of processes in a washing machine. It includes soaking, washing, rinsing, and spinning the laundry. What is the hand wash cycle? The hand wash cycle on a washing machine is designed to mimic the gentle process of hand washing. It's a special setting that uses slower speeds and less agitation to prevent damage to delicate fabrics. When to use this cycle? You should use the hand wash cycle for clothes that are labeled hand wash only. These items are typically delicate, like lingerie, woolens, or silk garments. Protecting delicate items. This cycle is less harsh than regular washing cycles. Thus it protects delicate fabrics from damage like stretching, snagging, or shrinking. Energy and water efficiency. Often, the hand wash cycle is more energy and water efficient, as it uses lower water levels and less energy for agitation and spinning. Understanding the hand wash cycle can make a big difference in how you care for your delicate clothing. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in explaining this useful laundry term. Happy washing, and see you in the next video.